Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Queen Elizabeth's husband Prince Philip, the Duke of Edinburgh, has died. He was 99 years old. The royal family confirmed the sad news this morning. It is with deep sorrow that Her Majesty the Queen announces the death of her beloved husband, His Royal Highness the Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh. Read a statement. His Royal Highness passed away peacefully this morning at Windsor Castle. Further announcement will be made in due course. The royal family joined with people around the world in mourning his loss. Take a look back at this extraordinary life in photos here. 1922, Philip at just 1 year old. 1929, the young Prince of Greece trying his hand at archery with his schoolmates. He is pictured second from the left. 1935, here is Philip in costume for a school production of Macbeth. 1938, Philip pictured in the bottom row, third from left, with his school cricket team. 1947, this photo of then Princess Elizabeth and Prince Philip was taken shortly after they announced their engagement. 1947, the Prince and Princess on their wedding day. More beautiful photos of Queen Elizabeth and Prince Philip's wedding. 1947, an official photo from the royal honeymoon. 1947, the Prince Philip takes in cricket practice at the Petty Officers Training Centre at Corsham, Wiltshire. 1950, Princess Elizabeth and Prince Philip with their newborn Princess Anne. 1951, a color family portrait. 1951, Prince Philip chats with Frank Sinatra and Ava Gardner at London Express Club. 1951, Princess Elizabeth and the Duke of Edinburgh heading toward Victoria while on tour. 1952, the whole family at Balmoral Castle. 1952, the Queen and Prince Philip talk together in the Royal Box at a performance of Bertram Mills Circus in London. 1953, the Queen and Duke of Edinburgh wave from the famous balcony of Buckingham Palace following Elizabeth's coronation. 1953, Prince Philip exits a plane after a flight. 1960, Prince Philip and Princess Anne hold newborn Prince Andrew's hand. 1960, the royal family is stretching out on the grounds of Balmoral Castle. 1963, Prince Philip and the Queen having a laugh. 1964, Prince Andrew and Prince Edward give a royal wave alongside their parents during the Trooping the Colour parade. 1964, here Philip is captured playing bicycle polo. 1967, Philip and the Queen arrive at a theatre in Malta. 1969, Prince Charles has a chat with his father in Sandringham. 1969, the television documentary Royal Family in 1969 showed the world that Prince Philip liked to dabble in painting. 1970, Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip pose for a picture with their two older children, Prince Charles and Princess Anne, at Sandringham. 1970, the Queen and Prince Philip share a smile at a state banquet. 1972, Queen Elizabeth II and the Duke of Edinburgh dance at the Gillies Ball at Balmoral. 1972, grilling out with his daughter Princess Anne. 1972, Elizabeth II and Prince Philip surveyed their land at Balmoral Castle in Scotland. 1981, on the royal balcony alongside the newlyweds Prince Charles and Princess Diana. 1982, Philip is seen here on the balcony with his daughter-in-law Princess Diana. 1986, at the Great Wall of China. 1997, Prince Philip walked behind Princess Diana's coffin at her funeral alongside William Henry Charles and Diana's brother Earl Spencer. 1999, a rare public display of affection between the royal couple. 2005, the whole family celebrates the wedding of Prince Charles and Camilla Parker Bowles. 2006, a happy photo of Elizabeth and Philip at St. Paul's Cathedral for an service in honor of the Queen's 80th birthday. 2007, this photo was taken on mark Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip's diamond wedding anniversary. 2011, Prince Philip beams with pride on the balcony following his grandson Prince William's wedding to Kate Middleton. 2014, Prince Charles and Queen Elizabeth visit a poignant art installation called Blood-Swept Lands and Seas of Red at the Tower of London. Each ceremony poppy represented a British or colonial fatality during World War I. 2014, a big smile from the Duke of Edinburgh at the 2014 Royal Ascot. 2015, on the red carpet at a state banquet in Berlin. 2015, Prince Philip shares a laugh with his grandson Prince Harry at the Rugby World Cup. 2016, the Queen and Prince Philip pose for a picture with then President and First Lady Obama in the Oak Room at Windsor Castle. 2017, waving with his great granddaughter during the 2017 Trooping the Color. 2017, Prince Philip tips his hat to a lifetime of public service at his final solo royal engagement before retirement. 2018, the Duke of Edinburgh at his grandson Prince Harry's wedding to Meghan Markle. 2018, in a year of many weddings, Prince Philip was also photographed attending the wedding of his granddaughter Princess Eugenie to Jack Brooksbank. 2019, the Duke of Edinburgh had a good chuckle at the wedding of Lady Gabriella Windsor, the Queen's first cousin once removed, and financier Thomas Kingston. 2019, Prince Philip was spotted watching his great-granddaughter Lady Louise Windsor compete in the Royal Windsor Horse Show. 2020, Prince Philip was Colonel-in-Chief of the Rifles, an infantry regiment of the British Army since 2007. In 2020, he turned over the title to Camilla, Duchess of Cornwall, in a ceremony at Windsor Castle. 2020, ahead of his 99th birthday, Buckingham Palace released this photo of Prince Philip and Queen Elizabeth pictured outside Windsor Castle. Thank you.